Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yash. Hope you all are doing good. And today in this video, I will be sharing you how to increase your content view on Quora. As you might have already heard about Quora, that it is one of the biggest question and answer platform. And if you are new on Quora, it's really not that easy to grow, guys, and it's not really easy to get the content views. So today in this video, I will be sharing you 3 very easy and simple steps which I followed, and I almost got like more than 100,000 content views. So I will share it with you guys, and you also follow the same steps. Alright guys, so let's begin. Alright guys, so let's hop onto my computer screen. And guys, before starting this video, I assume that you already know how to sign up on Quora, and as it is very easy guys, I know you can do it. So let's begin. So guys, this is the main page of Quora, and first of all I'll show you how many content views I got for this month. For this, I have to open up my profile. Alright guys, so let me zoom in now. Okay guys, so now here you can see that my total content views are 116.1 thousand, which is 1,16,000 views and more than that. And for this month I got 105.4 thousand, that is more than like 1,05,400 views. And you can see that I have joined in the month of January and I am active in 10 spaces. And for your confirmation, I will show you my states as well. So I will click on my profile picture and I will click on states, and I will change this one to all time and this box to all content, and let me zoom in guys. Alright, and yes guys, so here at the bottom you can see that in the month of January, February and March my content was not getting enough views, and my most of the content views, which is like more than 100,000, I got just in the month of April guys. And alright guys, so let's go back onto my profile. And you know guys that it's not that easy to get 100,000 content views within a month, especially when you are new, not only on just Quora but any other platform guys. It takes time to build your content views, it takes time to build your status, and in the other words it's not really that easy. But for Quora, I'll show you the three easy steps which I followed to increase my content views. And the first step is join a good space of your interest. As I'm interested in astronomy and mysteries about universe, I'll give you an example on that. I will type mysterious. Okay guys, so here on the second number you can see that there is a space named mysterious universe. I'll click on that, and first of all I'll check the followers. They have 61,400 followers and 47 posts this week. So guys, it is important to check the followers because it will show that if you're gonna post anything here, how much exposure your content will get, right? So that's why the followers are very important guys. So guys, you can see that currently there is no window to post. For this we have to follow this space. After clicking onto the follow space button, you can see that here is the window open to post. Now guys, we can start posting our content here, but before posting our content we will go on to the second step, that is create your own space. So guys, to create a space we have to go onto the main page of Quora. For that I can either click here or I can click onto the home button. On the left hand side you can see all the spaces which I have joined, like one motivation, web series and movies, physics for everyone, general knowledge and science. I am the admin of this space. On the right hand side I can see all the recommended space, and you can see the mysterious universe which you have currently followed. And to create a space I'm gonna click here, and this will give me a pop-up window where I can type the name whatever I want to keep of my space. For example, I'll keep it as a curious astronomer, and whatever name you want to keep for your space you can do that. Let me make it capital. Alright guys, and I will put a little bit of description here. For example, I'll write like welcome to the space of astronomy. Alright guys, you can keep your description, any description you want which is related to the name of your space. So after filling up the information I will click on create, and this invitation page will occur, but currently I don't want to invite anybody. I will be skipping this part, and then we will be redirected to our space page. And first of all, let's go into settings, and here you can see that you can change the name, you can change the description as well, but I'm not gonna do anything right now. You can add up the details also. Currently I will not do anything. I will only change the space color, and I like blue color, but I'll change it into purple. Alright, you can change your icon as well, cover photo, you can do it all later on, guys, but most of the settings will be as it is, guys. But if you have any special privacy settings, like supposedly rules, if you want to keep any rule, like for this one only astronomy post I will allow, rest of the other contents will not be allowed in this space, so I will just write it in my own words and I'll save change. Any other settings if you want, guys, you can do it from here, and make sure that you have a good icon and cover photo so that the space will look more attractive. Right guys, let's go to the main page of our space. So guys, now we will make first post in our space. For that I will click here on make your first post, and then this window will pop up. And for your reference, I have already made a simple post which is about solar system, and I have copy pasted it to save time. Guys, if you have an image from the web to support your content, then make sure that you give the source of the image. Recheck your post. Once all set, click on the post button. So now our content is already posted, and currently I don't want to send any invitation link, so I will close this window. Now I will scroll down and I'll show you guys. You can see that our content is here in our space. Now let's go on to the third and the most important step, that is start sharing contents in joint space. So guys, before starting this step, I just want to tell you that even I want my own written content to get views, but for that I need to set up a platform in the space which I have joined and which I have created, so that the people will start trusting me, they will be trusting my answers, and my post will get enough exposure, guys. And you know guys, that it's not just like one post and I'll get thousands of views, and if I'm gonna create a lot of posts, it will take a way lot of time, guys. So how I'm gonna get through it quickly? So for that, you know that guys, there are a lot of people who are posting on Quora for like 2 years, 3 years, and like 5 years also, and their posts have thousands of views, guys. So before posting our post, we're gonna use their post so that it will be beneficial for us, because they have a lot of views already. So this is how we will do it, guys. Alright guys, let's head back to the main page of Quora. As I was giving you the example of astronomy, so we will be continuing with that. I will type astronomy here, and I'm gonna search it. And on the left hand side, I will click on post so that I can see the astronomy related post, just like this one. Does the planet Jupiter actually have a terrestrial surface to it like Earth? I have already read this post before, and it is nicely written. And what important I have to see here, that how many views it has. For that I will just zoom in, guys. As you can see that it has 85,100 views, which are a way lot of views, guys. And you can see that after editing it has 20.6k views, which is 20,600 views, guys. So what I'm gonna do here is I will be sharing this post to the space which we have joined recently, which is the mysterious universe. I'm gonna click on here, so we can add up something here if we want. Like I will just add up as wow, that's our beautiful Jupiter. And guys, make sure that whatever you are adding up here, it should be relevant to the post, as well as it should be interesting, so that the reader and the viewer will be attracted toward it. So after finishing up the writing work, what we're gonna do is we will submit our post. And now you can see that our post has been submitted for the review, and we will get notification once our post is approved. So here you can see that our submission was already accepted. Now we will be sharing our own content. For that I will be going to the space which we have created, Curious Astronomer. And now I will scroll down, and similarly I will share this post in the space named as Mysterious Universe. So I cannot see the name here, so what I'm gonna do is I will search Mysterious Universe here, and here we go guys. So I can see Mysterious Universe here, and after that I will write like do you know about our solar system, and let me put a question mark and submit. After submission you can see again the same message that our submission is been waiting for the approval and for the review, and so once again if our submission is approved we will be notified. I'll show you the notification as well. Here you can see that our own written content has been accepted in the Mysterious Universe now. This means that our content is now exposed to 60,000, more than 60,000 followers of Mysterious Universe. Similarly, I have joined other spaces like One Motivation, web series and movies, physics for everyone, and some travel spaces as well. So similarly guys, you can also follow other spaces and you can post your content or others content as well. So guys, literally you can search anything here. I'll give you another example guys. So supposedly if I want to search facts, so I will type facts here and enter it guys, and on the left side I'm gonna change it to posts so that I will see all the post related to facts. Okay, so I don't want to share this one guys. Let me go down. Okay, this one is looking quite inspiring guys, as his brother is went for the job interview, and yes, it's really inspiring. So what I'm gonna do here is that I will share this post again and I will search a space which is related to this post. As this is a motivational post, I will share it with one motivation, and I will write something good here, as I will write keep it up. Alright guys, after finishing this one I will click on the submit button, and you can see that our post is submitted for approval, and once approved we'll get notified. So guys, I'll show you another space which is general knowledge and science. And guys, I am the admin of this space, and I'm showing you this one because I'm using it for my future content. Like supposedly if I like any content, or if I want to write any content but I want to post it in future or share it in future, so I will be saving it here in this space, and I will share it whenever the correct time will come or whenever the right time will come. But always remember one basic rule guys, that quality always comes above quantity. So it's my suggestion guys that join some good spaces, create some good spaces, and start sharing some quality content guys. And for sure your content will also get like more than 200,000 300,000 views within a month. So alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and with this video you got a basic idea that how to increase your content views on Quora. So alright guys, stay safe, stay healthy, please take care of yourself in this current situation. Peace out guys.